Hi, my name is Susanna, one of the account managers here at Workshop Software. We're excited to bring you this video of Business Intelligence 2.0. We've made some great improvements after taking on feedback from customers to improve the key elements, including a whole new look and feel. We want you to be able to extract and use the key stats in your business so that you can measure what needs to be managed so that those figures help you grow your business. This global first puts your workshop ahead of the competition. You can expect to pay a small fortune for this feature alone, but it comes free on a gold subscription of Workshop Software. So let's take a look. Business Intelligence gives you the opportunity to drill down on any of the graphs provided so that you can focus on a specific date range or subset of information. For example, in this sales and cost by date graph, it will show you the sales and cost over your lifetime using Workshop Software, whereby you've entered invoices in and processed them. And we can drill down into this information to show more detail. So for example, if we hover over the sales line for 2017, I can right click on this and I can drill down to see the sales figures in a quarterly period for 2017. One of the new features that has been added is the ability to jump to an interactive report when you hover over a particular sales period, for example, and you right click, you can then jump to a sub report. This will actually bring up a detailed report of those figures in Q2 and what makes up the sales figures. As you can see here, you've got your customer name, invoice number, and your sales figures along here. And where this is you've got the light blue, you can actually click on the customer name or the invoice number, and the system will take you directly to that invoice in the system so you can find out more details. There is a lot of information that's going to be available to you, and this is all based on the data that you have entered into Workshop Software itself. Things from mechanic performance, the number of vehicles that have been into your business over time, and also from a geographical standpoint. And with our new report, you'll be able to jump to any reporting where you can see, for example, the vehicles that have been in for more than 12 months. Jump to this report and you now have a list of exactly which customers and which vehicles have not been in for more than 12 months and get in contact with them so you can bring them back into your business. Also, you'll be able to see from a customer standpoint as well as your top 50 customers, whether it be by revenue or average gross profit. And also an important report would be if you're tracking your customer source and you're doing any marketing campaigns, you can also see how effective they have been for your business. From a vehicles perspective, you'll see exactly what makes of vehicles that your business is processing through the business and through Workshop Software, and you can drill down to find out exactly which models per make as well. From a products perspective, you can see the number of products being sold, your best selling products, be it quantity or profitability, and you can toggle through these graphs as well as inventory. And if you're using our minimum and maximum stocks, you'll know which products you'll need to order in as well. So as you can see, to have the ability to obtain the key numbers in your business at the click of a button will help you make the best business decisions to ensure you're one step ahead of your competition. Keep an eye out on our social channels and help guides, as we'll be releasing more detailed information on business intelligence soon. So let's build the business of your dreams.